Bitcoin, the most disruptive financial innovation of our time, a currency beyond borders, a system beyond governments. But what does the future hold? Will Bitcoin become the foundation of a new financial era, or will it collapse under its own weight? From its inception in 2009 to its meteoric rise and dramatic crashes, Bitcoin has captured the world's attention. From an obscure white paper by Satoshi Nakamoto to a trillion-dollar asset, Bitcoin has challenged the very concept of money. It created wealth, disrupted banks, and even became legal tender in some nations. Bitcoin's journey has been marked by both innovation and speculation. It has made fortunes and erased them just as fast. Bitcoin is now at a crossroads. Some call it the future of finance, others call it a bubble. Governments, corporations, and investors are all taking sides. Institutional adoption is on the rise with companies like Tesla and MicroStrategy investing billions. Meanwhile, governments are divided. China has banned it, the US is regulating it, and El Salvador has made it legal tender. Market volatility remains a concern, along with issues like scalability and mainstream adoption. In 2021, El Salvador's President Nayib Bukele announced an audacious project, Bitcoin City, a tax-free, fully Bitcoin-powered city built at the base of a volcano to provide geothermal energy for Bitcoin mining. The global Bitcoin price crash in 2022 really impacted funding. Government debt and economic challenges made it difficult to proceed. Investors were skeptical about the long-term success. Infrastructure costs and uncertainty about international support added to the hurdles. The benefits could have included Bitcoin adoption, becoming an innovation hub, and achieving financial independence. But the risks were significant too: dependence on a volatile asset, potential regulatory crackdowns, and a lack of traditional economic stability. Was Bitcoin City an ambitious vision for financial freedom, or a risky gamble that was doomed from the start? If Bitcoin continues its adoption curve, it could replace traditional fiat currencies, eliminating inflation and giving financial power back to the people. Governments fear losing control. Could regulations and central bank digital currencies push Bitcoin into the underground? Many believe Bitcoin will never be used for daily payments but instead become a store of value, much like gold. The future of Bitcoin depends not just on individuals but on the decisions of the world's biggest economies. In the US, hedge funds, banks, and institutional adoption are growing. However, SEC regulation remains unclear, leading to market uncertainty. A possible digital dollar could also challenge Bitcoin's dominance. China has banned Bitcoin mining and trading, yet it remains one of the largest holders of Bitcoin. The country is also pushing its own digital yuan as a Bitcoin alternative. In Europe, more regulations are emerging, but Bitcoin adoption continues to grow. The European Central Bank remains cautious about allowing Bitcoin as an alternative currency. In Latin America and Africa, Bitcoin adoption is on the rise as an alternative to weak local currencies. People are finding financial freedom, although they face pushback from governments. The biggest risks for Bitcoin. Let's break it down. Key threats include energy consumption concerns, quantum computing breaking cryptography, competition from other cryptocurrencies, and political and economic instability. Bitcoin is more than just money. It is a movement, a revolution, a battle for financial freedom. But will it survive? That is up to us. The future of Bitcoin is uncertain, but one thing is clear: change is coming. What do you think? Will Bitcoin take over, or will it fail? Let us know in the comments below.